Okay, this is gonna be the video number 4. We cleaned the front here again. We are going to pick up the back. We took the back seat, as you see here, and just take your time, slide it out. And here also we have another computer, another junction box, another water pool, right? Any fish there? Okay, I don't know if this one get affected or not, the radio system. Just leave it like that, yeah. I'm not sure if it's get affected or not, but what we need to do now, we're gonna come here, let's take the battery out. And this one we can put something to hold it there. Okay. Okay. Now we have no, you're not gonna go out.
Half inch?
Yeah, half inches or 15. We're gonna take the battery out. And we're gonna take this one also out because we need to clean up anything. Yeah, this one no good anymore.
Definitely.
Okay, disconnect this for the drainer. That's it. Okay, hold on. Okay, this the first thing have to be dry out. Now, you know what you see here? Okay, now we bring 10 here for this. I believe it's better to disconnect this.
Yep.
You see this piece here? This piece also have water in it. Hopefully it's not damaged. I don't know what it is for. This one have to go out. I don't know if okay, hold on, let me see here. See, this water was so high, I believe. Okay. Okay, here also, we're gonna take the battery terminal out. We're gonna take this one. No, you can take take this.
Take the plate out.
Yeah, take the plate out. Do you have anything else? No.
Yes.
Okay, that's the battery. We have to take the auxiliary battery out too.
Hold on, this is gonna be this.
Just be sure that the auxiliary battery, or you can have a lot of money here.
Oh, this one is the auxiliary battery?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That what when you see that auxiliary battery problem, this is what they call auxiliary battery problem. I don't know what that module is. We're gonna see later if it's still good or not. This is supposed to be replaced. Okay, put them there. Now we have one sensor here. Maybe this for if you can take this one first. Okay, so I don't know what it is. Okay, forget about.
We take the battery already, so we could take that.
Yeah.
Alright,
It's not 10.
it's 10, but
okay, here's what you need to.
take this first.
No, take this one out first. Yeah, you see how it is?
Wow, yeah.
Yeah, that's water. That's water. That means water was full here and passed to the other. No, down.
No, this
yeah.
way.
Yeah, take your time. What I'm scared about it is, does the connector is still good or no?
Water damage.
Okay, now disconnect. Okay. I don't know what is it for, but also a module. It's supposed to be related to airbag or something.
So that it could be the sensor for the
let me see.
yaw rate
inside?
sensor. Could be a yaw rate sensor.
Yeah, hopefully this one is submerged in the water, but I'm gonna put it back to. Okay, now continue.
So this is a
disconnect.
Philip or
It looks like torque,
torque.
but disconnect the wire first. This module here is no good anymore. This module here is messed up.
It's burnt.
Okay, now.
Let's see the wires.
Yeah.
This is burnt, definitely. This one, whatever, but this one, anyway,
Yeah, it's messed up.
Reuse.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. I believe torque.
Yeah.
Small one. You have it?
You could pause the video in a minute.
Yeah, no problem.
No, you say leave it then.
Okay.
Alright. Here. Okay.
I don't know. This is only one side. Here we don't have nothing. Here is okay. So this is a place where Mercedes-Benz put all his stuff.
Okay,
Here.
So now we
Yeah.
place in the sound module.
Yeah, we're gonna take it out.
Need an extension.
You need the extension?
I'll get it for you.
We're gonna check that side also for just to be sure we don't have nothing on the other side. Water is the enemy for electricity. Not enemy for us.
Not in real life.
The enemy for electronics. Electronics say, you know what? I don't need air, but if I see water, yeah, up and all the way out and then pull it.
Okay, so why is
Yeah. Now, look here.
Wow, look at this.
Oh, watch it.
Water.
Yeah.
Out the
Look
module.
at. Not only that, check the back.
Wow. Totally burnt right here.
That's how it is. But she's lucky because you come in the morning, you see the car burn
And the car
on
could be
most
on
car.
fire.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
You say, oh, my car got on fire. You see water, electronic. You say, you know what? I don't breathe air, but I don't like water. But he still need air to cool it down.
So, work is over here. So this is the front sound module, correct?
Yeah. This is the front side module.
Right.
And here, my friend Tony, he is one of the best technicians also in Brooklyn, New York. If you have any problem, please feel free to call him. If you are in Brooklyn and you need help or tri-state.
Now, in
Now,
addition to that, we know we have to check the rear sound module because there's a...
no, I check it out. I took that out. I have the first video. I took it out. I cleaned it. There is no water there.
Okay,
But this one is totally damaged.
Now look at it.
If you can get the same part number like this, yeah, it's still dripping. If you can get the same part number like this, you can put it in. It will work from the same car. If not, you have to put a new one and code it. So this one here. Now what we need to do is try to get. Let me get the come with me. We're gonna take some stuff there. We need help. And then
I think we got enough here.
it's not enough. Keep going. Now, let's go. Maybe the connector there is not good here. That one is not. Yeah, try to push that.
Go ahead.
Okay. Sometimes it will be full, so you have to empty it. Oh. Because not only that, you're gonna start from here. It's gonna start from here. Just keep coming. If you hear bubbling there in the back, then we have to empty it. I don't know I believe this water come all the way up. So this module here maybe is gone too. All this module needs to be checked. Now it's done. Wow. Okay. Yeah, it's still coming.
It's draining from these too.
Yeah. Does it have a drain here?
I'm gonna check after.
You need to check all the ground.
Surprisingly, I didn't see no drain, but maybe they use
Yeah,
these.
I don't know this. Anything that could be taken away, take it. This is still coming. Now you see this one also. This one also it have damage here. You see the bottom there.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I see that burn.
Okay, now. All this have to come out, open it, see if they got damage, have to be replaced. But the most important is the sub module.
Okay.
You see the top here? Huh? Anything that you see like here, if you come back in the okay, now, we know this one here. Okay, now. Hold on. Okay. This one can come out just to turn it upside down.
Okay.
This one, see how it can come out this one.
Okay.
I don't believe there is a screw. It look like a clip or something. Yeah. Okay, turn it. You see the bottom one?
Right here.
Yeah, that one. If there is any problem, you can lose it and move it to
Clean.
Yeah, you clean it or move it to the. You can change the whole piece.
Okay, yeah.
If it's possible to change the whole piece. Get a used one. You can get a used one like this. It comes with a wire harness, so you're gonna cut the one in the back, the bottom one, and change it.
Oh, the wire here. Yeah.
Yeah, no. This, yeah, they all can come new one. Yeah, you can get on eBay. You can get it very cheap. Now this one here, you see, till now it's messed up. This one, everything is still. That one also still smell bad. Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. Turn it. See here?
Yeah.
Yeah, see here? It's messed up.
Yeah.
So you don't need to put it. And those are the fuses. 60 arm. It's done. So what we need to do, we need to get that one. We need to get this. Now the only thing left here. Let me see one thing here. Oh, can you? Okay, I just want to see one thing here quick. Can you open this for me, just? You see here?
Well, that's the fuel tank, maybe.
I believe some of them, they put the fuel tank here. Yes, on some car, yes, on some car, no, I'm not sure. But if there is nothing unsealed, maybe it's not.
Yeah.
Just an idea.
Yeah.
Okay, now, let's have a quick check other side. You think that the fuel pump?
Maybe, yeah, but whatever it is underneath the car anyway. So.
Anyhow, that's not our point now.
Yeah.
Unlock this one for us. What we need to do, just to be sure that we are not get affected by the water, because water is water. I don't know how it go from that side. If it go from that side, from the sunroof, it could be sunroof. If it's go because of the flood, it could be from the flood and it could be here. So we're gonna have a quick look under here to see if there is any water. If it's not, so we are good. And then we can take the next step. Hilal, whatever. Where are you? أخبارك اللوجة؟ الحمد لله. عربي وبيو كيا رجع؟ إيه. دار كارو كده مشكلة يو. داك في بتابلات نرجع ما عندنا مشكلة. ما بس. I believe like there is something here too. If we don't have it, no problem. Just. Yeah, from there you can have an idea. You are very fast, man. Take your time. Okay, hold on. Yeah, we just have to open it a little bit to look if there is anything. How it look like? Look good?
Look dry.
Dry?
Yeah.
Thank God. Okay. So you don't need to do nothing. So we gotta.
Module's in there though.
Yeah, if it's dry, it's dry.
Take it out and see, but it's
Yeah,
dry.
it's dry. So now what need to be done is that thing have to be dry, wire terminal have to be clean, and now research for all the part that you need it. Is your job now. My work is done. We good. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.